So let's see the part 2. Part 2 is software process develop models of plan driven versus agile process. So what is the plan driven process? Everything is decided before the project start. Work happen in stages with clear rules. Changes are difficult and expensive sometimes. And what about the agile process? So agile process work done in short steps, little steps, and then change can happen at any time. We can change, it's flexible. So focus on working software and user feedback. It's a main focus of the agile process is working on the software and user feedbacks. So for example, plan driven is building a school. Plan must be perfect from the start. When we build the school, we have to plan the perfect before the start. Like then let's say the agile design a mobile game. You can change features based on what players like. So you can change whenever you want, whenever the player want to change. Okay, so this is the plan driven and agile process. So combine plan driven and agile. So in the real world, many companies doesn't use just one model. They mixed both plan driven and agile to fit the project. For example, in banking app, use plan driven for the security and data handling, and they use the agile for the user interface and new features. So uh, this is the banking app. Okay, so let's see the next drive. So waterfall, what is the waterfall model? So let's see the waterfall model. The waterfall model is one of the oldest and simplest model. It goes step by step, yeah, like water flowing down. So first one is the requirement, gathering all needs. So first of all we have to gather all the needs of the software, then design plan how to the software will work, then implementation, write the code exactly what the software need, then testing, make sure everything is works or not, and then maintenance. We have to fix problems after release. So what is the pros of the waterfall model? So it's simple and clear and easy to manage. And what is the cons of the waterfall model? So hard to make changes later when we have to changes in after the completion. So it's hard for in this model. So users see the software only at the end, other than user cannot see the software. So for example, software for the government from submission systems, so the rules and requirements doesn't change often. So waterfall is good to fit in these government form submission systems. So this is the waterfall model. So let's see the incremental development. In this model, the software is built and released in small pieces called increments. Each piece adds a features. User can test and give feedback early. So what is the benefit of the increment development? So it's easy to manage, problem are found early, and faster delivery of useful features. So this is the benefit of the incremental development. So for example, let's see the making and shopping app. Week 1, users can browse products. Week 2, add to cart features is added. Week 3, payment and checkout added. So user can start using the app from week 1 and give the feedback while other features are still being built. So this is the incremental development. So let's see the integration and configuration. So instead of building everything from scratch, developer use ready-made component like commercial off the shelf. So why use the codes, save times and cost? These tools are reliable. For example, an e-commerce site can use so Google Map for location services, PayPal for handling payment, and a chat service like Intercom for customer supports. So it's the help the team focus on building only the unique part of these softwares. So this is the integration configurations. So let's see the part 3, coping with the change in software and development. So let's see in the third video, I will make the third video of the software engineering. So please subscribe my channel and keep updated. Press the bell icon to for the notification. So thank you so much for seeing my video.